First this evening, fear and panic in 3 parishes amidst a disturbing air quality report following the massive fire at the Riverton City dump in August.
The report released today by the National Environment and Planning Agency confirmed that smoke from the fire could negatively affect the health of thousands of people.
The report also stated that 2 toxic gases surpassed the limit set by the World Health Organization. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
When the fire started blazing at the Riverton disposal site and smoke filled the air, it was evident that it could cause some serious health concerns for those living in and around the area. Environmentalists raised several concerns. Today, stunning revelations from the findings of the study conducted by the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA. The report said the fire at the Riverton disposal facility resulted in deteriorated air quality, which affected southern St. Andrew and Kingston, as well as sections of southeastern St. Catherine. It adds that the air quality report shows the World Health Organization's 24-hour average guideline limit was exceeded for sulfide dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, 2 gases which have harmful health effects. Other harmful gases like benzene and toluene were recorded at higher than normal concentrations. While it did not exceed the Jamaica ambient air quality standards limit, NEPA says the levels recorded are a cause for concern. The smoke forced several companies along Spanish Town Road to send workers home, so it's no surprise that Spanish Town Road and its environs have been identified as being at risk. One of the monitoring stations showed the levels for one of the types of particulate matter it measured was more than 5 times the limit set by the WHO. The NEPA report says the data from the monitoring sites have since indicated a return to pre-existing ambient air concentrations for the pollutants monitored. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.